Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today we'll be doing a review on the Rolex Datejust 41, reference number 126334. We'll be reviewing the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so first thing, let's start off with the pricing of the watch. So you can get this watch as of January 2018 from an authorized Rolex retailer for $9,350 plus tax. Or you can come check out our prices at JazTime.com for our most up-to-date and lowest prices online. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the dial now. So specifically for a dial configuration I have in my hand here, we have the index hour markers fashioned 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing, luminous filled, contrasting with the nice black dial. However, if you're not interested in the black dial, there's other numerous dial configurations for the Datejust 41. The other colors you can get it in is blue, silver, and rhodium. Rhodium being a newer style color for the Datejust, and that's specifically sort of a lightish gray color. Okay, if you're feeling a little more luxurious though, there are other options available for that, such as Mother of Pearl with diamond hour markers, or even just diamond hour markers with a simple colored background, as I mentioned, with the blue, silver, and rhodium. Of course, the pricings for those, the retail prices will vary. Usually it will run you about another $2,000 to $3,000 on top of the retail pricing. Okay, so as I mentioned, we have the index hour markers. They are fashioned in 18 karat white gold. They have luminous filling along with the hands as well. The hands very simple. Hands made in 18 karat white gold as well. The tips of the hands are luminous filled, and the luminous filling that they use is a highly legible chromolite display with long-lasting blue luminescence that can glow for up to 8 hours. So the Datejust has very nice visibility during the daytime as well as during the nighttime as well. We have the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that, sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the bezel now. So specifically for the bezel of the watch, it's a fixed position fluted 18 karat white gold bezel. As you can see, as I tilt it towards the light source, you can see it pick up light from different parts of the bezel and really bring out more of that high polish. The high polish matches very nicely with the case as well. The case, as you can see at the top of the lugs, are nicely high polished, and at the bottom of the lugs, nicely high polished as well. And the case size itself is a 41mm size case, as the name states, a Datejust 41. So from an index finger to my thumb here, that's a 41mm in diameter case. The case size from the side profile, as you can see from the height, not too large, is actually one of the updates that they've done from the Datejust 2, which is a previous model, which is the 116334. They've actually slimmed down the case, as you can see. Nice slim case with nice high polish matching with the bracelet. Also with the bezel as well, the bezel doesn't sit as high as the previous model. So nice, just a nice slim sleek watch overall. Okay. On the other side of the case, you can see nice high polish as well. On this side as well, nice Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. The whole case is made out of 904L steel, which is in-house Rolex made steel. It has additional corrosion resistance and an added shine to it as well. So the bezel is 18 karat white gold, the case is 904L steel, and the crown is going to be 904L steel. As we move on to the crown functions now, it is a screw down to unlock double waterproofing system with a water resistance of 100 meters to 330 feet. Simply unwinds counterclockwise as shown into the standard position. In the standard position, you can wind the watch from a dead stop. About 15 to 20 clockwise winds is all you need to get this watch started from a dead stop. Simply tugging out the crown will bring you to the next position, in which you can adjust the date or change the date instantaneously as shown, just by simply going clockwise. In the final position of the crown, it will stop the seconds hands, as you see the seconds hand currently ticking along. There we are. In the final position, that seconds hands is stopped for precise time settings, such as an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds. And of course, bi-directional movement of the hands. Okay. Pressing the crown back in, we'll start that seconds hand once more, and always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep the watch water resistant, as mentioned, for the 100 meters to 330 feet, and also to protect the crown as well. Let's go ahead and move on to the bracelet now. So the bracelet is a is an Oyster style bracelet, which is a three-piece link bracelet. Nice high polish down the center of the three-piece links. The bracelet itself is made out of that 904 seal, same thing as the case, and patterns very nicely, as you see from the high polish on the lugs of the case, contrasting with the satin finish or brush steel of the outer of the three-piece links. As we move on, you can see that same patterning through the clasp and on the other side of the bracelet as well. The clasp is just a very simple clasp, as with most Rolex dress watches. It's just a folding oyster clasp, as shown. Opens up to reveal this nicely high polished clasp blade with the Rolex name embossed onto that high polish. Okay, closes as so. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the movement now. The movement is housed in a simple oyster case backing. It is a newer style. It's a newer style of movement. It's a Rolex's in-house made caliber 32-35 movement. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement based on Rolex's flagship model, which is a 32-55 movement in the Day-Date President. And they've added a feature from that Day-Date President into this newer style movement, the 32-35, and that's a chronology escapement wheel. What that means is that they have a skeletonized escapement wheel now that reduces the inertia of the watch to keep more precise timekeeping, to keep the watch in the Swiss specs of that -2 + 2 seconds today. Also, that escapement wheel is made out of nickel phosphorus now, so it pairs very nicely with the oscillator, which is a paramagnetic blue paracomb hairspring, in unison of having that additional resistance against magnetism. The power reserve from the previous model, which was the 116334, there's additional about 24 hours additional power reserve on this watch now. The previous model had 48. This one, the Datejust 41, has 70-hour power reserve. So you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick back up on a Monday afternoon. It'll be keeping time just fine. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you this watch on the wrist now. So opening up that folding oyster, closing it up. See that nice high polish contrasting with that satin finish. Really brings more shine out. And there's the watch on the wrist. Just absolutely very simple watch, not too high on the wrist. Will fit under your suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. And there we are. So if you're interested in this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com, where the lowest price is guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty, and if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page, where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.